My name is Renee. The one in the background barking is going to be Coco. I have calculated and found out that I have written 89 songs since 2003. I'm sure I wrote songs before 2003, but they'll never see the light of day. Because that was before I was 18, and they were, all about boys and stupid things. And so then after I was 18, they were all about, boys, but like in a more sophisticated manner, So I am striving to make a video archive of every one of those songs, all 89 songs, not in order. And a lot of them I'm going to have to relearn, and a lot of them I will cringe about, but that's okay, because it is 20 years since 2003. Is that right? 2013, 2012. Damn. So let's hope she doesn't bark horribly. I think I'll start with... The summer wind came rolling through, but you could tell that it was leaving. The summer wind said, "Darling, I'm leaving," but I would be leaving too, because I knew that it was the season two. The summer wind waltzed with the fall, and she was fair as California when she cast her spell over us all with her perfume of honey and warm pine straw. The summer wind came rolling through, but you could tell that it was leaving.